Alright guys, so we're going to be attacking seatbelt position after we clear the collar tie. So we're going to be punching and shooting. My partner's going to react, he's going to sprawl on me. Now this time we're going to step in front with our knee. We're going to attack the body of this guy. So my partner has a strong collar tie. We're going to punch, shoot our underhook here. Maybe that's my partner on me. Tap. Now he jacks me up the seatbelt. He's fighting hard, get a wizard down here. Maybe I can't get behind. So I'm going to set my knee in front of his knee. And I'm going to attack the body. Now once we get here, we're just going to run through this guy, keep crowding his body. If he don't bail, he end up on his back. Otherwise, he should bail. So here, shoot. Move out of partner sprawl. He jacks me up. Maybe I can't get around, so I'm going to step in front with my knee. Big knee slide, crowd this guy, run through his body. He should bail out. If he doesn't, get you back. One more time. So here, punch an underhook to a throw body. Boom, he sprawls, he backs me up. Can't circle behind, so I'm going to take that knee right in front of his knee. I'm going to keep crowding this side. Can't get behind, we're going to step in front. Lock my hands, step in front. You're going to run this guy. Make sure you're driving with your toes here. One more time. Punch. Go by. So that's a knee in front finish from the seatbelt position. Make sure you drive your feet, run through this guy.